Let's try this out again. Let's see here. Man. The Rain by Dylan Thomas Tedder, inspired by this genius kid, Jesse Wells. I've heard them say for you to go away, for you to come again some other day. But they don't know you, not like I do. Who cares what they say about the rain? I've heard them say for you to go. I've heard them say for you to go away, for you to come again some other day. They don't know you, not like I do. All the things you do, who cares what they say about the rain? You make their flowers, make their grass grow, and their flowers bloom. You're like a melody hitting on a tin roof. But they don't appreciate nothing till it's too late. All the things that you do, the rain. So I'll say hi, and I'll wave goodbye when the clouds subside and you go away. And when the sun comes out, I still appreciate all the things that you do. The rain.